Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Try to Speak. आज का सेशन आज का स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस सेशन बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। आज हमारा ये सेशन हमारे एक एक्सपर्ट टीचर्स आयशा मैम फ्रॉम इंग्लिश यारी कन्वर्सेशन सेशन है। इसमें आप नोटिस कीजिएगा कि हमने वुड और कुड का फ्यूचर सिचुएशन में कैसे यूज करते हैं और कैसे हम अपने एक्सप्रेस और आइडिया को शेयर करते हैं और क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं फ्यूचर सिचुएशन में। ये सेशन बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है वुड और कुड के यूजेज को जानने के लिए। आप सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर को फोकस करेंगे, कन्वर्सेशन का आनंद लेंगे और सिचुएशन को समझेंगे। और इसके बाद हम डिटेल में वुड और कुड का पास्ट और फ्यूचर के यूजेज को रिमाइंड करेंगे। तो चलिए सेशन का आनंद लीजिए और चलिए देखते हैं।
Hello, how are you?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very
Fine.
good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
All great. So, Sulochana from West Bengal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
A teacher, right?
Want to become a teacher.
Want to become a teacher. So, where were you? Lot of many days I didn't see you.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't see you for many days.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you not unwell or what happened? Were you taking classes at EnglishYaari?
Yes, ma'am. I have been taking classes.
Oh, that's great. So, how is your practice going on?
Yes, ma'am. It's going great.
That's wonderful.
I feel I am improving and gaining confident.
Oh, that's great to hear, Sulochana. Wonderful. Keep improving, keep growing. Reading, improving is very important. So, what's special going on in West Bengal? Can you tell me something about something is going on in, are you in Calcutta exactly?
Not. My town is far from Kolkata.
Uh-huh.
It is nearby city, Asansol, Durgapur.
Okay, near Durgapur. Okay.
Border of Jharkhand, Jamshedpur is nearby.
Okay, so thing keeps on going on, and reading the newspaper also will help you to keep updated with the news and English. Okay, I know you might be reading in Bengali or something. That is okay, but English news, you can download the InShots app. InShots app is an app which you can download and you read the newspaper. If
Okay.
you understand, it will help you enhance your skills. So go to Play Store, just download InShots app for news, and you will be able to read short news. I don't want you to read lengthy news, I think, but somewhere you are aware of the world, the country, and it will help you to enhance your speaking skills. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Please open the session notes and tell me the topic. So,
Okay,
presentation of telling the topic is also very important. So, what's the topic for the day?
okay, ma'am. Future of work.
Future of work. Very nice. Okay. Here comes, there are different weird type of job. See, now because of AI coming up, lot of people are going to lose their normal jobs. So people are trying their ways to earn money in different ways, na? Can you a lot of weird jobs which you have seen, no? So in your area, have you seen somebody doing a particular funny type of a job which you thought, and they are making a lot of money out of it?
Okay, got it. Yes, some nowadays very much fashion about work on a YouTube. Are
Ah,
making reels. Small reel that some.
okay, making money, but it is an easy way. Some people are really talented in that field.
Hmm.
They have a face value which people enjoy. So if they have 50,000 followers, then they start getting money from YouTube every time somebody watches their videos. So
Hmm.
that's a very good thing, no? YouTube, they get like that, and 1 million followers, they will get that YouTube gold and silver plates and all that. So that is very nice, but actually good way to earn if you are a real consistent And your reels should be of some sense. Many people make it nonsense also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You
But
know,
it has also required skills to how can present everything. So it is also great. Yes.
yes, very good. So that's a good idea. Now let us read different weird type of jobs here, future jobs. Read it. You are going to learn some new phrases here. So upon meeting someone, something new, like read that.
Hmm.
What
Hmm.
is this next one, the third one? So interesting lesson, Sulochana. We don't think of certain jobs. You know, in NASA, they invite people to sleep for certain hours. But imagine sleeping for so long. Is it possible to sleep beyond 6 or 7 hours? Can you sleep more than 10 hours in a day?
No.
Huh, but in NASA, they are paying you, it's a highly paid job because they are experimenting on you with sleep.
Okay. So.
So that is also a job, sleeping. A lot of
Hmm.
lazy people will earn a lot of money because of that, na?
But risky. Hmm.
Yeah, that's
Hmm.
what. Okay.
Robotic animal behaviorist. So, studying and training lifelike robotic animals for therapy and companionship.
Yes. So now I will ask you few questions here. If you could create a personalized AI assistant to help you with your job, what personality traits and skills would your robot have?
Okay.
We are homemakers, so we will first think of those things.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. So, if I would create a personalized AI assistant to help with my job, so I would like to create a friendly robot.
What
robot
robot? Fairly
robot that is supportive, friendly.
friendly.
They would help me with
It
my
would.
jobs.
It would because one robot, no. So it,
Hmm. It would help me not only my job, also it would treat as a friend whenever I would be worried and sad. It would give job for me, and somewhere when I would be under the tension, then they would be mm, speech like
that
mm,
you already have, no. You can speak to Alexa and Siri and all that. You can buy that. Alexa,
hmm,
Siri, and speak to them. You know, there are robots like that already. That Google, Alexa, Siri. So,
hmm.
hello Google, how is the day today? So it'll respond. It's a wonderful day. How are you feeling, Jayashree? And they talk like that.
Yes, yes. But
Yeah.
we go different app or different platform. But this robot is like every quality it would be. Hmm.
Okay. So I would create a unique robot which will help me with the daily household chores and cooking
Okay.
so that I can devote more time. And because when we keep helpers in between, we have to go on correcting them because they skip it. But robots, if they are guided and if they have a proper sensor, this thing, they will clean the whole house without any efforts. So I want a robot who helps me do the household chores and cooking also. So
Hmm.
that will help me to ease my work so I can work and do more job. I want to be more into my career also. So I
Hmm.
can earn more money. That is what I want. Okay.
I agree.
Yeah, that's a better one. So if you had the opportunity to work remotely from any destination in the world, where would you choose and what type of work would you do while you are there?
Hmm. If I had the opportunity to work remotely from any destination in the world, then still I would choose my country, India, and among these places, I would choose Goa. Hmm.
Goa. Why would you go to Goa?
Because Goa is very calm and peaceful place, and there I would be relaxed and peaceful life, spend relax and peaceful lives. Hmm.
Okay,
And
peaceful. It is called peaceful. Okay, the
peaceful.
pronunciations. You can work on the pronunciation part.
Hmm.
Okay. Imagine a future where it is mandatory to have a side hustle in addition to your main job. What would your side hustle be?
Okay. Hmm. Future, where it is mandatory to have yes, the situation where it is mandatory to have a side hustle, then um, with our main job, then I would prefer to, as my goal is to become teacher, so I would prefer to choose as a side hustle to take kids to visit places that would help them to explore places and get knowledge, and at the same time I could be close of them, I could understand them, what they're interested and what's their problem, so that's why.
Okay. So, what unique skills do you think humans will bring to the workplace that can't be replicated by machines?
Hmm.
Workplace also, even if I'm working now, I am a trainer, so when I speak to you I have the empathy of understanding you very well, but the AI robot will just correct you with your grammar or mistakes like that, but they will not show it's okay Sulochana, next time you can try better. They will not have these emotional feelings. So what are the skills humans can bring at workplace that can't be replaced by machines?
Hmm. The
You had to work a day in a job completely unrelated to your current field, what job would you like to do? And why do you think it will challenge or surprise you?
skill. Okay, so the job I would like to do, to encourage some homemaker to utilize their time in a proper way, and they try to develop their lifestyle uh, and their economics condition. So it is challenging for me because I am a introvert person. Even I want to support him, I want to make them understand value of time, value of lifestyle, growing yourself. So that would my choice actually.
Yes. So now there are a lot of examples here with activity based pictures. Could this be the future or humans will rule? Tell me about it. Explain what the pictures are telling, what is the title depicting.
Hmm. Could this be the future? Okay, so here mine is running and robot.
But do you think humans will continue to rule? I feel humans will rule because humans are the people who have made a machine. If you put a one hammer, the whole machine will break, right?
Yes, yes.
So machines cannot have a full control over us, is what I feel. We
No.
have to make use of the machines. We should not let them rule us.
Yes, yes. We control machine. Machine doesn't control us. Yes.
But what do you think? Is this because a lot of the person who has made AI, artificial intelligence, he is saying that machines might take over humans very soon. It is very dangerous. What will you tell about it?
Somewhere every coins has two sides, pros and con. So if we will use it wisely, then it will good for us. And if we are totally depends on it, then it spoil our lives as well. So very careful and very cautious we should be about it using. Mm,
Okay. So here we should try that machines don't rule us. And there should be certain instructions that should be given so that the machines can't rule us. So
yes.
this is how when the makers of robots are working, they have to take the control of the robot, and we should not allow the robot to take control of us. Even though, see, now accounting has become easy because AI is coming. So many companies are laying over people. There's a lot of layoff going on in a lot of fields. Some people say teachers will also be replaced, but I don't think teachers will be replaced because machines do not give you the same explanations or examples that the teachers can help you with. There are work like mother's role or okay, machines can be helpful to a certain extent, but they
Hmm.
cannot completely replace a human being.
Yes.
So Sulochana could try still more examples on this. So you can just advantages and disadvantages of modern technology, or will machines take over humans in the near future? Write a small passage on that. Research on that. A lot of vocabulary words can be increased and improved on. So that part was missing. So explain more on that part. Try to present your answers that way.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sulochana. Bye. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, ma'am.